ElectraCast.
The world moves fast. Your workday, even faster. Pitching products, drafting reports, analyzing data. Microsoft 365 Copilot is your AI assistant for work. Built into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Microsoft 365 apps you use. Helping you quickly write, analyze, create, and summarize. So you can cut through clutter and clear a path to your best work. Learn more at Microsoft.com/M365 Copilot.
Welcome to NASA Daily, where we bring you all of NASA's previous day's proceedings in 4 minutes or less. In today's episode, we bring you NASA's activities for January 20th, 2026.
Today, NASA's Artemis II mission is one step closer to launching astronauts around the moon. On January 17th, the SLS rocket and Orion spacecraft began their 4-mile rollout to Launch Complex 39B at Kennedy Space Center, a trek expected to take up to 12 hours. Engineers will soon conduct a wet dress rehearsal, loading propellant and testing flight readiness ahead of the earliest launch window on February 6th. The Artemis II crew, Commander Reed Wiseman, pilot Victor Glover, NASA mission specialist Christina Koch, and Canadian Space Agency astronaut Jeremy Hansen, joined NASA Administrator Jared Isaacman for a live Q&A with the media. Meanwhile, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope captured a stunning close-up of the Helix Nebula, revealing comet-like knots and layers of gas being sculpted by stellar winds from a dying star 650 light-years away. Hubble also turned its gaze to the star-forming region NGC 1333 in the Perseus molecular cloud, showing glowing protostars and planet-forming disks shaped by stellar winds. On the Sun, NASA reported an intense X-1.9 class solar flare capable of affecting communications, navigation, and power systems, while NOAA monitors its effects in real time. Back on the International Space Station, Expedition 74 astronauts studied microbiology and Earth observation, including how UV light can prevent harmful biofilms in spacecraft water systems. NASA also announced new lunar payloads for future Artemis missions, selected 3 science experiments to study the moon's surface, heat flow, and radiation, and celebrated the retirement of astronaut Suni Williams, who spent 608 days in space and completed 9 spacewalks, the most ever by a woman. Finally, NASA will observe its annual Day of Remembrance on January 22nd, honoring astronauts lost in Apollo 1, Challenger, and Columbia missions with ceremonies across the agency. Those were the key activities for NASA on January 20th, 2026.
Subscribe to receive daily or rate or review so others can find us as well. Thanks for tuning into NASA Daily. This has been an ElectraCast Media production. Executive producers are Mark Netter and Peter Rafelson. Produced and edited by Hannah Riggs. Music by Amir Salale, I Say.
Welcome to another season of Crypto with Kamal on ElectraCast.
ElectraCast.
Where we explore the future of money and how digital assets are reshaping our world. I'm your host, Kamal Hubbard. Web3 is not just a buzzword, it's a movement that empowers you, your family, and community. So if you're passionate about financial technology or just want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to tune in and subscribe to Crypto with Kamal wherever you find your favorite podcast.
ElectraCast.